Hola, buenos días. Welcome to the Daily Word Builder. Soy Ruth. Hoy presento página 164 of the Daily Word Builder in my Complete Language Learning Journal by Dan Hall. It's a great study aid. I really like it. Hoy quiero presentar how they say God forbid en español. Escucha. Dios no lo quiera. Okay. When you hear something that you don't want to happen, oh, God forbid, oh, Dios no lo quiera. Try to say it today. And notice quiera, that's a subjunctive. I think of it as Schrodinger's mood. You don't know whether it's going to go one way or the other. So, Dios no quiera que la lluvia arruina las vacaciones. La lluvia is the rain, and then arruina, ruin, las vacaciones, ya sabes. Dios no lo quiera que esa lluvia arruine nuestras vacaciones. See? So that's how we can use it in a sentence, or we can just use it on its own, solito. Dios no lo quiera. I would like you to think of this sentence today, and perhaps something will crop up where you could say, oh, God forbid, una situación imaginaria que tú no quieras. And if it does crop up and you do get la oportunidad to say, Dios no lo quiera, then por favor, tell us about it in the comments. And I'll see you mañana. Gracias for watching. Hasta mañana. Adios.